So, hi all mga sismars, welcome back ulit sa ating YouTube channel. So, for today's video and content, as you can see, ayan, another unboxing na naman tayo ng isang Android phone. So, you can purchase this one sa link natin sa description box, okay? Well, actually, nung isang araw lang namin to pinurchase, and nagulat kami na dumating agad siya. And, ayan, so sabi dito, slim design, 7.6mm, powerful performance. Okay, 6 times OS security. Okay, ayan o, kakabukas lang natin siya. So, the color that we have is black and the storage that we purchase is 4GB of RAM with 64GB of room. Okay, so open na natin to. Ayan, ang ating unit. Later on na natin to i-check. Tignan muna natin inclusion sa loob ng box. Of course, meron tayong pin ejector or pin eject tool. And then, we also have Type-C charging cord and Samsung Care. May manual din tayo dyan. So, wala tayong livreng case, of course, dito kay Samsung. Wala naman bago. Okay. So, open na natin. So, open na natin si ating unit. As you can see. Wait lang. Paano ba natin siya open? Dito na lang. We need to be careful, guys. Ayan. Slide lang natin siya. And then, right corner, we have power button. Ayan, we have power button sa right corner, volume button, and up and down, sorry. Bottom part, we have speaker. Speaker ba to? Yeah, speaker, Type-C charging cord, microphone, and earphone jack. Left corner, we have the SIM tray, and then sa upper bottom, meron tayong microphone. So, ayan, naka-punch hole na ang kanyang display. So, tingnan natin yung kanyang camera module. So, 1, 2, 3, and okay. Alright. So, ito yung ating Samsung A07. As you can see, para siyang mayroong lente. Tingnan nyo, parang may nakakabit sa kanyang lente. This is glossy finish pala, kung mapapansin nyo. Prone ito sa mga fingerprint and alikabok. Tingnan nyo naman mga sismars. Ang bilis yung kapitan ng dumi. Ayan. Ito yung ating lens. Para siyang mayroong protective lens, pero yan talaga yung kanyang camera module. Meron tayong 2 lens in here. Meron tayong flash. Ayan. Meron siyang design yung parang kung titignan nyo is para siyang luggage pag tinitilt mo. Ayan. Okay. So, wag na natin patagalin pa to. Mga sismart, setup ko lang to and balikan ko kayo. Ayan, so na-open na natin yung ating Samsung. As you can see, naka-open na po siya. Ang ganda ng niya. Okay, smooth naman siya. Check natin yung settings real quick. Pero abangan nyo yung full review and camera test natin dito mga sismars. And also game test na din. Pero ito ang ating information. Wait lang. Explore lang natin real quick. Cut action. Okay, may modes and routines dito. May advanced features. Device care. So far, yun lang naman mga sismars. Sabangan nyo kasi fully explore natin yung settings na yan. Papaya lang tayo saglit sa ating camera. And then, ito yung ating front facing. Okay, ayan ang ating front facing camera. And then, this is the main camera. Okay. So far, yun lang naman yung quick unboxing natin with the Samsung A07. Again, mga sis Mars, if you want consider buying this Android phone, just click the yellow basket down below, somewhere sa left side corner or sa left side corner, yes, or sa right side corner. So, once again, my name is Maring Ana. Don't forget to follow me also on my TikTok account, ie_Malonzo. See you later sa ating next full review and also camera review by yours.